Hello everyone, Bertina Amy here, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am taking this 3-drawer cart from Target, also available at Walmart, and elevating it into a DIY nightstand. The first thing I did off camera was I went ahead and put the piece together, which all I had to do was insert the wheels at the bottom, which is totally optional. Then I'm going ahead and removing the sticker on the front of this drawer. I got rid of as much of the stickers I possibly could, but there's of course still some of that residue, and honestly it was driving me nuts, so I go ahead and test out a hack that I saw someone else do on YouTube, and it's basically to use isopropyl alcohol, and I'm using a Q-tip and 91% isopropyl alcohol, and this hack really works. I didn't need too much, and I just went ahead and basically kind of dipped it into a small cup that I poured it into and used that to basically rub it off. Dollar Tree has grown in their selection of these wallpaper stickers, and they come in these like rectangle shapes. I can't remember the exact measurements on them, but there's so many different ones to choose from, and you can select one to your liking. And I really loved these birds and floral type wallpapers. I thought they were just absolutely beautiful. There's even a little bit of gold detailing in them, and I really just loved that. So I'm using them to actually cover up the front part of the plastic drawer just to elevate it. For my specific pattern, I wanted to be able to showcase the different sections of this entire wallpaper. And because of the width of the drawer, I had to actually fold these in half and use 2 sets so that I could actually make sure that the entire width of the drawer is covered, because it's a little wider than the width of these wallpaper stickers when you are looking at them in sort of the portrait style way. And off camera, I actually had a set of 4 of these wallpaper stickers. I folded them exactly in half and then used the top half for the very top drawer and the bottom half for the bottom drawer, but I needed 2 sets to make sure that the width of the entire front of the drawer is entirely covered. I hope I'm making sense. So 2 sheets actually covered the top and bottom drawer for me, because all I did was take the sheet, fold it hamburger style where the edges meet, and then cut down the fold area, and the top and bottoms were good for using just 2 sheets. However, with doing the middle one, I did this on camera to show you that I had to fold 2 sides down towards the center, and I had to roughly eyeball this, and I had to get 2 sheets just to make sure I had enough to cover the center of, or the entire front of the drawer. I went ahead and did the peel and stick part off camera, and here's the final result. I really love the way that this turned out. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you decide to recreate this, definitely let me know what you decide to do. You could definitely use marble wallpaper, or even ones that look like wood or some other pattern. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.